everyone. Welcome back to my channel Mathematic by Varuna. Now in today's video, we will understand what is a line. So let's begin. A line segment extended endlessly on both the sides is called as a line. What does this mean? That suppose if we have any line segment, say AB, let us name this A and B. Now this becomes a line segment. Now when we extend this line segment endlessly on both the sides, it's extending from here and then from point A also. Now this particular line segment becomes a line. So a line is a line segment which is extended on both the sides indefinitely. Now, also what happens is we can name this line segment as AB or as BA anyhow. Say AB with A showing that there is a line segment over here like this on it, or we can also name it as BA. Why? Because it is extending on both the sides endlessly. Now, next. Also, sometimes we may represent a line by a small letter, say L, M, N, or any particular letter. For example, if this is a line, we can write it as L, or we can write it as M, N, anything like this. Now, clearly a line has no end point and it has no definite length. Further, we have two particular notes that we have to understand and we have to remember. The first one says that an unlimited number of lines can be drawn through one particular point. So if I have, say, any point, say O, I can draw unlimited number of lines passing through this point O. Let us take few examples. So there are here I am making a few lines passing through point O. We can make n number of lines passing through point O. So there can be unlimited number of lines passing through this particular point, 1 point. Second note says if there are two different points, if I have a point A and say point B, I have 2 points. Then what happens that how many lines can we make that pass through point A and point B both? In this case, there can be only one line that passes through point A and point B. If I take another line, if I make a line passing through point A, then it will never pass through point B. Hence, there can be only one line that can pass through point A and B both. Now, I hope that these two notes are clear. These two things that we have to remember are clear. And the concept of entire line, which is formed from a line segment, is clear through this video. Now, we will meet in the next video to know more about different types of lines. Thank you.